everyone to another episode of Noah's Amazing Reviews, and today we'll be opening up San Diego Comic-Con exclusive Skottie Young pens. And if you don't know who Skottie Young is, he's so awesome. He's one of my favorite artists. And some gal says he draws little chippy versions of characters, and here's some of my favorites. I also got a whole book about him, and he's like so good. And they're mystery pins, so it's gonna be very cool opening one. So let's get into it. I just got my scissors, so let me open this for you guys. Here is the Scarlet Witch. That's so cool. And someone else says there's a WandaVision series that's happening every Friday, and that's like so crazy. It's like the #1 event for Phase 4. Alright, that's the only thing that has released from Phase 4. So let me quickly take these out. Okay. And, ooh, we got Bucky Barnes. And if you don't know, they're going to make a series for him. And, spoilers if you didn't know this, basically, Bucky Barnes becomes a Winter Soldier. And there's going to be a series for Falcon and Winter Soldier. And those are both possibilities to get. So that's a coincidence. So that was the first pack. Now let's get to the next one. So let's get into this. Ooh, oh, whoa, why is this one so big? Oh, we got Falcon. Oh, I did not expect to get Falcon and Winter Soldier. That's so cool. So, let me quickly throw the trash away and let's look at this one. Or whatever it is, it's big. It just deflected my scissors from cutting through. But at least I cut it. Wait, what is this? What is this? I know who it is. Nope, I was only looking at the back. How can I tell? Wait. Oh no, please don't say. Oh, I got another one of Scarlet Witch, but that's still so cool. What? Like, so far we've gotten very good luck. Okay, let's see who we'll get next. Okay, well, no, it's not going to be super big, so that's good. That means we're not getting the Falcon. What's this luck of getting 3 Scarlet Witches? Oh, I have a bad feeling. A terribly bad... Oh, Namor! That's cool. So we'll just put that away. And that. So now we've leaded to the last one. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Just telling you. Oh, something big. I gotta think. So this could be Kingpin. I don't know. Oh, I didn't cut off enough of it. So basically, someone else says, like, you could see what you could get, and if you want to, you could get one of these. And ooh, we got Gambit. That's so cool. So let's put it right there. And that's like very cool of a find. So the last one is, drumroll please, Wolverine. That's so cool. Not cool. So this is what we got. 3 Scarlet Witches, 1 Gambit, 1 Wolverine, 1 Bucky Barnes, 1 Namor, 1 Falcon. So I got a really good win-win. So much for watching, guys, and your support means so much to me. And make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And follow me on Instagram, those amazing reviews. And make sure to follow Skottie Young. He has so much amazing artwork. And it's only sometimes that I tell people to follow other people that are so cool. So make sure to do that. And bye. See you next time.